Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at a really cool Swiss Army knife. This is the Victorinox Scientist. Now, this is one of those knives that it's relatively sought after by collectors wise, and I was finally able to find one for a not awful price. And the thing that I thought was really cool about this is check out the price tag on it. This is not what I paid for it, but it's kind of interesting that this particular knife was $23 when it was being sold. Anyway, let's take a look at this knife. So first of all, congratulations, you bought a Swiss Army knife. And it has information about how to work the can opener and taking care of your Swiss Army knife. So let's take a look at the knife itself. Alright. So let's see. Alright, this is kind of interesting. This is the first time I've taken this out of the package and actually gotten to take a look at it, and I'm kind of excited about it. It's in really nice condition. It's got this comes with a pin, the usual pin, and it comes with a toothpick, and it comes with tweezers, like so. The thing that makes this really interesting though is, and on the back you have the corkscrew and the screwdriver that twists into the corkscrew. The thing that makes it really interesting though is it's a two-layer knife with a magnifying glass. I can get the magnifying glass out. So it's got the magnifying glass. It's got a Phillips head screwdriver. It's got the inline screwdriver. You have the large knife blade, and then this one comes with the Combi Tool. And the Combi Tool is the whole can opener, bottle opener thing, and you also have the inexplicable wire stripper right there. Really a neat knife. Now, one thing that I was reading online, because I did a little bit looking up of this before I actually opened the package, is apparently the older versions don't have a pin. They don't have the stick pin. Like, you've noticed that with the plus scales, what you'll end up with is you'll end up with a small pin, small stick pin right there under the corkscrew. And it says the older versions don't have it. So I'm thinking this is one of the older versions, because let me show you what I'm talking about. Like, if you look at my Cyber Tool, underneath the corkscrew, you have a stick pin right here. Now, most stick pins aren't as bent and as abused as mine is, because it's had a tough life. But anyway, so that's kind of neat. It's a cool knife. This is one of those knives that I kind of wish, I wish they'd like reissue it or give us the option to get this particular setup. Or maybe something like, say, Combi Tool, large blade, magnifying glass, flashlight. And then on the flip side, they could give you a Phillips head screwdriver. I don't know. What do y'all think? What are your opinions about the Scientist or any of the other two-layer knives? It's kind of cool. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check out the Swiss Army Knife wiki page about this. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know in the comments. Anyway, if y'all have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.